stopping and braking distance. So here we're going to look at the distance it takes for you to stop the car both before and after you apply the brakes. And there's two distances we need to consider for this. So it's our reaction time distance which we can call RTD. And this is the distance you'll be traveling while you're reacting, so before you put your foot on the brake. So this is going to be the distance the car is moving at full speed before braking. Then we're going to look at braking distance. And this is the distance after you've put your foot on the brakes. And both of those added together, so braking distance we'll call BD, and both of these added together is going to give the total stopping distance. So the stopping distance is just going to equal your reaction time distance plus the braking distance. So let's have a look at an example. We want to find the stopping distance. If we're traveling at 70 kilometers per hour, and we're going to assume a reaction time of 2.5 seconds. And we're going to use the formula D equals 0.01 V squared for our braking distance. So this formula will usually be given to you, and it can vary depending on the conditions of the road, where V is your speed in kilometers per hour, which gives you a distance in meters. So we need to consider two distances when we do this: our reaction time distance and our braking distance. So reaction time distance is just the car traveling at full speed while you're reacting. So if we're reacting for 2.5 seconds, that means we're going to be traveling at 70 kilometers an hour for those 2.5 seconds. And we need to figure out the distance we travel in those 2.5 seconds. And to do this, we just need to use our formula that distance equals speed times time. But we just need everything in the correct units. So this is going to be our 70 kilometers per hour multiplied by our 2.5 seconds. But we'd like everything in meters, and we need the time to match up. So we're going to go ahead and change hours into seconds as well, because we've given a time in seconds. So we can rewrite this as 70 kilometers per hour per one, so 70 kilometers per 1 hour multiplied by 2.5 seconds. So we'll convert 70 kilometers to meters by multiplying it by 1,000. And 1 hour we can change into minutes by timesing by 60, and then seconds by multiplying by another 60. So we end up getting 70,000 meters per 3,600 seconds multiplied by 2.5 seconds. And that's going to give us a reaction time distance of 48.61 meters. You can just throw all that in the calculator. Now for braking distance, we're just going to use our formula that we were given, 0.01 V squared. and our speed was in kilometers per hour, so we can just use the 70 that we get straight away. And if we put that in the calculator, we should get 49 meters. Then our total stopping distance, remember, is just our reaction time distance plus our braking distance. So we get 48.61 plus 49, which is going to give us 97.61 meters, totaling to take us to stop the car.